I'm gonna say this once. This mix changed everything. I'm talking softness, glow, even tone, and confidence through the roof. We all have that one area we kinda ignore. Or maybe we're not sure what to do with it. But, girl, that skin? It's sensitive, it's delicate, and it deserves some love. So I made this easy homemade mix. And it's honestly magic. All you need is shea butter for deep moisture, rosehip oil for soft glow and tone correction, vitamin E for healing and fading marks. Mix them up in a little jar and boom, you've got your glow potion. Just warm a bit between your fingers and apply it gently after the shower. Use slow circular motions like you'd apply eye cream. Do it daily or at least 3 a week. After 1 week, my skin felt baby soft. After 2, even the tone looked more even. No perfumes, no harsh stuff, just nature working her magic. Because we never care for that area like we do our face or hands. But once you start treating it like the VIP it is, girl, your confidence hits different. Don't wait for some miracle product. Make your own. Natural, easy, and actually works. Try it and tell me how you feel after 3 days. Glow Up Energy isn't just about what people see, it's about how you feel. And babe, if you want more juicy glow up secrets like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're glowing together every single week.